Hello friends, day 62. So it was 2 months ago today on the 3rd of April that I left Land's End, and oh, it's been amazing. What a journey so far. Met so many wonderful people, seen so much wonderful scenery, and it's not stopping now because I'm about to walk alongside Loch Lomond. So as you can see, I am in a hotel again tonight, and that's because my airbed is still leaking. Now I have got a few plans. A lot of people have suggested, why don't you just buy a new one? Well, it's not quite that simple because it's quite a specialist item and there's not many camping shops around. I could get one in Fort William, but that would mean having a brand new airbed on a completely isolated part of the trail. I have got some patches being sent so that I can, proper patches for it, so I can fix it hopefully. But if that doesn't work, I'll be asking them to send me a replacement. So there are plans afoot, rest assured. I started on the West Highland Way today, and I've done about the first 20 miles of that. Been pretty good so far, lots of lovely scenery, and I'm about to start Loch Lomond, which I'll be doing tomorrow. So lots to see. See you on the trail. This is my hotel room for tonight. You don't get much at Loch Lomond prices, 140 quid for bed and breakfast. Wow.